So welcome to module 5, and this module, albeit a fairly short one, is to do with error handling. Now it's inevitable that at some point a user of our application is going to encounter an error. There can be many things that can go wrong outside of our control, outside of the user's control, outside of the consumer of the API's control, and we're also using an external provider at some point during this course for uploading photographs, and that's certainly outside of our control if problems happens between our API server and that particular platform. So we need a method to handle errors, and we need to control the information we send back to the client, the calling client, when our API encounters an error. We certainly don't want to throw down all the exception details and the stack trace and provide too much information, certainly not information that would provide details about how the code's been implemented on the server. So this module is going to be about how we configure the server to handle errors, and also on the client as well when it receives an error from the server or within its own code, what information we display to the client. So without any further ado, let's handle some errors.